friends, in my last video I showed you how we can solve the wisdom tooth problem without any surgery. So that is normally helpful when the tooth has come out almost completely but the skin is not allowing the wisdom tooth to come out. In this video I am going to discuss, however, about impacted wisdom teeth. Now what is impacted wisdom teeth? In lot of people, the third molar, the wisdom tooth, cannot come out completely because there is no space for it. So you will see, like in this X-ray which I am going to show you, the impacted wisdom tooth is totally angulated. Sometimes it is totally angulated on the other side. So basically, because of the wrong angle of the wisdom teeth or the no space for the wisdom teeth, it cannot come out, and in lot of people it gives a lot of pain. Now when this pain starts, it is normally very unbearable pain, and most of the people have to undergo a surgical removal of the wisdom teeth. So we have recorded this surgery for you, as you are seeing on the X-ray first. Before we started with the surgery, this wisdom tooth has not erupted completely. The patient is in lot of pain, so we decided to operate her. So how exactly this surgery is done? First we anesthetize the entire area, we numb it, we make it totally numb so the surgery remains painless. Most of the impacted wisdom tooth surgeries last between 15 minutes to 25 minutes. So first a small cut or an incision is made with the blade and the gums are reflected so that the wisdom teeth can be visualized. In lot of cases there is a lot of bone covering over the wisdom tooth. So this bone has to be removed with a burr and it is trimmed away so that the wisdom tooth is seen later on by the dentist. Depending on the situation, we either section the tooth or remove it completely. Once the tooth is out, like what you are seeing on my screen here, we give you nice sutures. The area is stitched up so that you don't have any problem later on. So this is regarding the wisdom tooth surgery. Soon I will be sharing one more video about what you should be doing immediately after the wisdom tooth surgery so that you don't have much of pain and problem. So friends, I hope this video was helpful to you. Keep liking our videos, keep sharing our videos, do comment below this link over here so that we get motivated to get more such informative videos for you. Thanks a lot.